Hello everyone, beautiful hairstyles for your lovely hair. Grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle and drop the tail into it with the remaining section of the hair along with the tail split them into two parts, making a ponytail, and have the left tail drop into the parent loop on the twisted band and make it come down. Then do the same vice versa for the right side as well. With the remaining tail we have two rubber bands apart from each other in the middle of the tail, then create a loop and drop the tail into it. Drop the entire tail into the parent loop, making a hottened lump and secure with a little hairpin. Grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle and drop the tail into it, make it come down, and with the remaining section of the hair, the back, split them into two and have the right section drop it to the left look through the twisted band and have it come down on the left side, make a ponytail, have it out touch the middle part, stretch the middle one, stuff the tail into it, making it as a bun with the entire bun to the top and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin through it. And to decorate it even more further, drop in your favorite hairpin on top of that. Grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle and drop the tail into it and make it come down with the remaining section of the hair. Make a ponytail, have two rubber bands attached on the tail apart from each other and stretch the top part and stuff the tail into it and move the entire tail to the top and have it in place by dropping a beautiful hair clutcher around it, securing it in place. Grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle and drop the tail into it and have a ponytail with the remaining section of the hair, split the tail into three parts with the middle one being thicker and braid the thinner ones and in the middle one have a rubber band touch the middle part and curl up and drop the tail into it. Combine all three tails together with the rubber band and stuff the tip into it, making it as a move the one to the top. Grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle and drop the tail into it, and with the remaining section of the hair, make a ponytail and grab a little top portion of it and make it into a braid. With the bottom portion of it, have a rubber and attach the middle part, curl up and drop the tail into it, drop the braid into the loop and make it go back and stuff the tip into the middle one, making it as a bun, move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin. Grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle and drop the tail into it. With the remaining section of the hair, make a ponytail and have a rubber and touch the middle part and curl a loop and drop the tail into it. Then bend the tail down, making it as a lump and move the entire lump to the top and have it in place by dropping a beautiful hair clutcher around it. Grab the top section of the hair and make a ponytail and grab the one section of the hair the sides and tie it over the rubber band we have, and with the first tail we have split them into two and have it braided in thicker manner and roll the braid and make it to the top and hide it by extending the hair and comb your hair and secure the lovely hair clutcher on top of that. Make a ponytail on the top section of the hair and create a gap and drop the tail into it, and with the remaining section of the hair along the tail make a ponytail and have a rubber and touch the middle part and stretch the middle one, stuff the tail into it, making it as a bun. Move the entire bun to the top, covering the twisted band and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin, then decorate your whole hairstyle by dropping your favorite hair clutcher. Make a ponytail, have a ponytail on top and have a very beautiful hairpin attached on the bottom of the rubber band secured on top. Then comb the ponytail, have a rubber band, touch the middle part, stuff the tail to the last loop of the rubber band and bend the lump down and have a big black hairpin through the rubber band, securing the bun in place. Then stretch the bun for more volume after that. Hold your ponytail on top and secure a lump at the bottom using the rubber band and bring the tail back and have a rubber band touch the middle part of the tail and stuff the tail to the last loop of the rubber band and push the lump inwards by having a little hairpin through it. Then stretch the bun for volume, decorate with your lovely hairpin. Hold your ponytail and twist the entire tail and make it swirl in the clockwise direction, have it as a bun and hide the tip underneath the bun we just now created and have the whole bun in place by dropping a beautiful hairpin underneath that. Upcoming two hairstyles are the simple one, you can do it just in a jiffy. Grab the top section of the hair and comb it and secure the hole by dropping a beautiful hair clutcher on top of that. Or you can comb your entire hair and drop the beautiful hair clutcher onto it. These two are not only the simple ones, each and every single hairstyle which we show on our video are the most easy ones. You yourself can become a hairstylist. Thank you everyone for watching this video.